Let's see how we can install the Node.js in Ubuntu. So here I have the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 20.04 LTS. So LTS means long-term support. You can check their website nodejs.org. So here you can find LTS version and the current version. So if you are working in a organization, you can choose for LTS version. If you need new features frequently, you can opt for current version. So here I have some stuff comments which I'll go through in this video. So to check whether if you have already Node installed or not, go to terminal and type node-v or node-version. So it will prompt you with the version number. If not, you haven't installed Node.js. I'll clear the console and I'll check if I'm in the home directory. I can use cd ~some sign to move to the home directory, and I can type sudo apt get update to fetch all the latest repositories to our local. And once all the latest packages has been downloaded, so it will get updated to your local repository using sudo apt get upgrade. To install Node, you'll be using a curl command. If you already have installed curl, then you no need to install it. Otherwise, you can install the curl using this command, sudo apt get install curl. Since I have already installed it, I'm getting this message. So after that, you can choose whether you can choose the 14.x version or 12.x version. So which is 12.x is the LTS version, 14.x is the current version. So for this video, I'll be choosing LTS version, which is the 12.x. Just wait for some time to download and install, to download those packages. So once it is done, here it will prompt you with the command to install the Node.js in your machine. So you can copy this and paste it over here and click enter. So once it is installed, you can close this terminal and reopen a new terminal, and you can check the version by node-v. If you see here, I got 12.17.0 and npm will also be installed by default, so it will be 6.14.4. so you can also verify with the node command. So if you type node and click enter, it will enter into the REPL mode, which is the node shell. So here you can execute all the JavaScript expressions. Node installation is completed, and if you want to uninstall the node, I will explain the process as well. So I'll just clear the console over here, and then for uninstall I have similar kind of steps. So if you see here we have sudo apt remove node.js and npm. So it will remove all the packages related to npm and node.js, but the configuration files and dependencies will be in your system. So to remove the configuration, enter this command, sudo apt purge node.js. And then to remove all the dependencies of these two packages, you can enter sudo apt auto remove. So it will remove all the dependencies installed based on the npm and node.js package. So once it is removed, you'll be good to go. So you can verify with the same node version command. So close this terminal and open another terminal, and you can verify with the node hyphen version. So you can see here node is not identified and npm is also not able to identify. Now Node.js is uninstalled. In case if you have installed Node.js using NVM Node Version Manager, then you need to use the below commands to uninstall it. So you can use NVM uninstall to uninstall specific versions you have, and if you want to uninstall the current version, you can use these commands. You can first deactivate it and then uninstall the current version. In case if you face any issue in the uninstall process, you can always run these commands to remove all the dependent folder if any is available. So these remove commands will remove all the folders under these locations. So once it is done, you can always verify using the which command. So which node will return the specific folder path if the node is available. Since we have been uninstalled, it won't return any path. So likewise for Node.js and for npm. Okay, that's all guys.